This brand is made in China by Gree Electrical Appliances and is available through discount retailers in the USA, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The units are for cooling only and have 3 fan speeds but manually adjusted louvers, which is not as good for air circulation throughout the room. They use condensate evaporation technology, which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket, but they only use a basic washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. They have timer and sleep modes for energy savings but only use single hose technology, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. The units are pretty quiet with a noise rating that is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The Aovia models are rather boxy looking, while the shiny models have a more modern look and feel to them, and the Aomi models feature Wi-Fi for control via a smartphone or voice commands from Alexa or Google. All of the units use earth-friendly are 32 refrigerant. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.